Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is the last video of the decorating series I'm doing for Christmas cookies. In the last video I show you how to make this gingerbread boy and girl. I'll leave the link below. And in this video I have the Christmas trees. I'm gonna use icing, which is a 10 to 15 second consistency, and I'm going to pipe each section separately, and I'm going to add some sprinkles for decoration. I thought this tree would look really nice if it has sprinkles of different colors for each section. I only had the mix, so I decided to just keep it all the same. I used my toothpick to adjust the sprinkles so that they were not sticking up, and also to make sure that every part was evenly covered. While the first tree is drying, I'm going to decorate the second one. This one I'm going to cover the entire tree with icing, and I'm going to carefully place sprinkles with my tweezers so that I can carefully place them where I want. You can also use the same method and arrange them kind of in a line so that they look like string lights. Once I was happy with the placement of the sprinkles, I added some gold sugar crystals for a little bit of shine. After 30 minutes, the first tree was ready to finish decorating. I'm gonna let both trees dry for about 45 minutes, and then I'm going to add the tree trunk. For this I'm using brown icing at a 20-second consistency, so it's a little bit thicker, and I'm just gonna pipe lines. I'm gonna let that crust for about 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna add the rest of it to give it some dimension. So that's it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I'm going to leave a card here for part 1 and part 2 of this series, and you can also find the links in the description box below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!